guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to the Secret Sauce channel. Today we're going to be making some ground beef. Very simple recipe and it can go with anything. So stay tuned. Before we get started with the video, I just wanted to take some time to remind you to please like, comment, and subscribe. You let me know what you make your ground beef for, whether that's for lasagna or some empanadas. So let's get started. So to get started with this recipe, we're going to start on our onions. I think we should speed this up. There we go. So you're gonna want the onions to be diced into this size. Next, let's start on our bell peppers. Now for the bell peppers, I always like to take the inside out first. Make a slit right down the side and have it nice and flat. I like to gut it out as well so you see that I'm taking out the insides. Ooh, life is so much easier when you just snap your fingers and everything's just done for you. Next, let's go on to our garlic. So with the garlic, I like to smash it with the knife itself to make them nice and flat, and then I just rough chop them. Again, smash. And this time I'm gonna snap my fingers. And just like that, that's how you cut up your ingredients. Now let's get started. So next I took a pan and I put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're gonna want to let this olive oil heat up, because when we put in our ingredients we want that to sizzle and brown up immediately. At this point I've also put the stove to medium low. So next we're going to be adding both onions and garlic together. Give it a little stir here. Now the goal here is that you want both ingredients to soften up. When they look like this, that's cue for putting in the rest of the ingredients. So now we're adding our peppers. Now, is this what they mean when they say eat the rainbow? Because I mean, look at those colors. So just like the onions and garlic, we're also gonna want these peppers to cook up as well to soften up. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, Chris, where's the seasonings at? No worry, I got y'all right now. It's coming. Relax. Perfect. So now let's add the seasoning. We're gonna hit it with some oregano. We're also going to add some pepper. Give it another stir here. Now I don't add salt because we're still not done yet with seasoning. I add the salt once the ground beef is in the pan. I don't want this to be too salty. So let's put the ground beef in. Alright, so at this point you're going to want to take a spatula and just crumble the meat down. You want small chunks here. So ground beef does not take long to cook at all. It takes about a good 8 to 10 minutes. Once you see all the pink disappear, you know it's done. So at this point, we're gonna wanna season the meat. So I've added a mixture here of sazon, paprika, garlic, black pepper, red pepper flakes for a kick because you know I like a little kick in my ground beef, and as well salt to your liking. Get everything a nice stir so it can be well seasoned at this point. So as you can see, it's still raw, so we're gonna wanna let this cook out a little more. Again, 8 to 10 minutes is all it takes here. When your ground beef is done, it should look like this. I added a bit of cilantro for some freshness here, but that's it, you're done. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know how you did your ground beef. I know everyone does it differently all the time, which is the fun part about it. Let me know why you do your ground beef, whether or not you put it in lasagna or you make some empanadas. Me, I did them because I did some sweet plantains canoes, in which you can now see because it's now being posted in another video, so go ahead and watch that. Now, as for some videos that I'll be dropping, we are going to be dropping them every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so click the bell button so that you get notified to watch my videos so you don't miss one at all. Now, I just want to appreciate you guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. I like to do this, it's fun, and I like to share it with you. So stay tuned and thank you again for watching my show.